Welcome to Hack the Machine Seattle. It is, yeah.
One of the things we're trying to do here is educate folks that may not normally work with the Navy to kind of what our problem sets are, and then try to get folks who don't think like we do, help us solve them. So far, been a day into this, I am really excited about what I'm seeing. I mean, there's a lot of awesome people here that are really excited to be working with us. We're telling them about what the Navy does, telling them about the problems, and I've already seen just tens of people already just coming up to me with different ways of thinking about problems. So this is exactly why we're here. It's a fantastic place to be.
We have sensor systems on many of our ships and other platforms that collect that data, and we can start to use that to make better decisions about how we operate, how we maintain, how we fix, repair, and take care of our systems. And so we have an opportunity to do that with some of our data science tracks here.
The essential values of Hack the Machine are that we can allow Americans with digital talent who may not want to join the military to contribute their very talented, very unique skills to important problems that affect safety and security for Americans, but also in protecting the global commons and freedom of the seas.
And what we have is both a cyber challenge and a hardware challenge. It's not just about software. There's real radars, real navigation systems, AIS, and other pieces of equipment. People can find different ways and different flaws in the system.
The nation's asking a lot of us. We need the help of all the talents across the country. And events like this are great opportunities for us to leverage those talents, build that trust and knowledge up, and then create the foundation for which then we can move forward, create that agility to solve the problems for the country.
You know, our biggest hopes are really to better understand some of the unique approaches that industry and academia and others have to our challenges, and areas that we can improve and get better and get faster.
I'm mostly excited about getting the results and taking those results and applying them to a program of record. So we would love to be able to get the data products, the ideas from these wonderful engineers and mathematicians and data scientists, evaluate them and find the right home in a Navy program of record.
Hack the Machine is the Blue Angels for Geeks. It's our opportunity to engage with America's most talented tech digital professionals, to inspire, to educate, and then to engage them to work on problems of consequence that affect us all.
We don't have a lot of face-to-face contact or hands-on contact with this equipment in a sandbox environment. So having that ability really gets us engaging and thinking out the box.
I'm a statistician and I do a lot of data science, but I don't program as well as the computer scientists and the software engineers. So they bring some speed up tools to make the algorithms faster that I don't have. And neither one of us can do anything very good without being able to talk to the guys in the Navy so that we actually know how boats steer and how they interact with each other and what kinds of things we need to look for.
And so when we come together with these partnerships in the community, what we're really looking for is the new ideas, you know, the aha moments of ideas that have not come to the table before. We're also looking for the future talent to support the Navy.
I think we hope that Hack the Machine brings relevant problems across sectors to cities across America and fosters that local collaboration, which then turns into national collaboration, which then turns into global collaboration.